You can apply data validation to cells. Using data validation, you can restrict the type of data or the values that users can enter into a cell, like a drop-down list. So for this example, we have a start time for employees and we have finish time. So we are going to select the cells which are concerned and we are going to click on data, data validation. Under settings, we are going to click time and we can choose the start time 8 a.m. and end time, for example, 9 p.m. Under input message, you can put a title. And under error alert, you can put as a title wrong time and you can enter the message which you want to reflect. Then click OK. Now click in the cell and try to type anything out of the values which you have suggested. If you try to do so, you must see this message. Please enter your shift or the error message which you typed.